In the name of God, the most merciful, the most gracious. Hopefully today, I will talk about an application designed to make mixtures of vitamins and mineral salts for premix factories. The idea of the program. All material. Whether vitamins or mineral raw materials have specifications such as the active substance, biological availability, purity and loss upon drying. The nutritional requirements for both animals and poultry are based on active substances of vitamins and mineral salts. For example, vitamin B1, the concentration of the vitamin is about 98%, and the biological value of the vitamin if it is in the form of thiamine hydrochloride, the biological value of the vitamin is 89%, and if it is present in the form of mononitrate, the biological value is 81.1%. For example, the amount of 5 grams thiamine mononitrate equal to 3.98 grams of thiamine. For D, calcium pantothenate as a source of pantothenic acid, the concentration of the raw material is about 98% and the biological value from the vitamin is 92%, so if the amount used of D, calcium pantothenate is 12 grams, the effective amount of pantothenic acid is 10.82 g. Regarding to mineral salts, when the amount of copper sulfate used is 22 g, with purity 96% and copper concentration is 24%, then the active ingredient of copper is within 5 g. The application process these calculations, and once you type the required effective amount, you get directly the amount that should be used in the mixture of vitamins and mineral. The program accepts modification according to the specifications of the raw material of vitamins and mineral salt. Now we will explain how to use the application.
Let's get started by opening the Excel program and selecting a premix file formula. Once you have opened the file, you will see the application in the first row from left to right, showing the application menu. The first column represents vitamins or mineral. Second column represents the requirements of vitamins or mineral per ton. The third column represents the raw concentration per gram. The fourth column represents the loss of drying. The fifth column represents the biological value percentage. And the last one the last column represents the amount of vitamins and minerals which are needed per gram. Now, let's see what happens when we change the required amount of vitamins or mineral. For example, let's change the amount required for vitamin A to 13 million international units. After typing the amount to be adjusted, press Enter key. The amount of vitamin A which we are needed is 13.684 gram. Also, similarly, when we change when we change the required amount of vitamin D3 to 5 million, the quantity of vitamin D will be needed is 10.526. Now, let's change the specification of raw material. For example, in the case of vitamin A, when concentration of vitamin A changed from 1 million international unit per gram to 500,000 international unit per gram. 500. The amount of vitamin A required is 27.368. We will get the same result in case of changing the required quantity or changing the specification of mineral salts. Now, that's all. You will be able to use application in manufactures of mixtures of vitamins and minerals. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, we wish you the happiest time. Thank you. Goodbye.